Okay guys, today we are at Freakers Steakhouse, so let's head in and see what we have in store. So the first thing you see when you get in on the right would be their steak chiller, where they store all their fresh steaks. You can pick and choose and have them grill it for you. You have very nice sirloins on this column, different types of sirloins. Then over here will be very nice looking Wagyu Mizuyaki A5s. These are rump steaks, and this would be ribeyes, different types of ribeyes. This should be Angus ribeyes, and over here would be their signature tomahawks. Let's head up to their dining area, which is on the top floor. They also have a private VIP room at the bottom, but of course you need to make your reservations first. As you can see over here on top, you have a dining area which is bright, clean, and spacious enough for a group party. Okay, look, our drinks are here. On the left would be the orange sunset, and on the right would be their H2O mojito. So what we have over here would be the wild mushroom soup on the left, and on the right would be their potato soup, and both are served with garlic bread. For appetizers, here on the left you have chicken salad, and on the right would be nachos pachos. This is their grilled salmon supreme, a piece of really crispy salmon topped with bonito flakes, and as you can see, cauliflower, broccoli, carrots with white sauce at the side. Okay, and now we have a little fire show here. Chef is ready with the tomahawk. He's gonna flame it for a bit. Whoa. Okay, he's gonna sharpen his knife right now and slice the tomahawk into pieces. Wow, look at that. Medium done. Looks so good. And yeah, he's gonna flame it for one last time. And after that, salt. It's done. This would be the Wagyu sirloin that we ordered earlier. Doneness would be medium, and this is the Angus ribeye, which I ordered medium well. Bon appetit! Alright, to end it off, this is matcha cheesecake. And this one will be crunchy chalk. So for desserts, this would be the bread butter pudding. It's very fragrant. I like it. And this one, the panna cotta with ice cream.